Making homemade snacks is a breeze when you have a Luvele Breeze Dehydrator. Today I'm going to show you how to make another healthy snack with just 2 ingredients. We're going to make nut butter and banana chips. We have a number of different nut butter recipes on the blog, so do check them out. We have a homemade Nutella, a homemade peanut butter, and a protein-packed nut butter for you to try for yourself. This recipe is another great way to use nut butters, especially if you have just a little bit left in the jar. So all you need for this recipe is some bananas and of course our nut butter. I'm going to use 6 medium-sized bananas today, and I should be able to fill 3 trays. Our nut butter for today is a homemade peanut butter that we made using the Vibe blender. We've done a video for that one, which we'll link below. All we need to do is peel and thinly slice our bananas evenly, around 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Once you've got all of your bananas sliced up, all you need to do now is put a thin spread of nut butter on the top and load up your trays. As I said before, you can use any nut butter that you like. Have a go at sprinkling some desiccated coconut over the top. Get creative with your toppings. You can't really mess this one up. Once you've loaded up all of your trays, you can put them back on the machine, put the lid on, and we'll punch in our time and temperature settings, which are 70 degrees and 15 hours. Our banana snacks should be ready now. They've been on for 15 hours, so let's have a look inside. These should be nice and dry now. They're not going to be brittle, but they will be a little bendy and slightly chewy. If they're still wet, then put them on for another couple of hours. So these are ready to eat straight away, or you can put them into an airtight container. They'll keep in the pantry for around a month. So there's another creative way to use your Breeze Dehydrator to make yourself some healthy snacks. Give them a go at home and let us know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.